Good morning, class. Welcome to day 5 of your narrative art unit. This video is going to discuss today's task list and assignments that need to be completed for today. Your learning goal is to create a narrative illustration, which is a drawing that tells a story, and you're creating that in color in a way that visually communicates by using imagery, background, and details. Your central question is, how do artists communicate their experiences, memories, and values visually? And the answer is basically in the learning goal. You want to have different subjects, different images, different backgrounds, and specific details in the artwork. Also having what the subject is doing, the actual action of the work, that will help the viewer understand this story more specifically. So the more things you add between the subject, action, environment, details, color, all those things, the more you add will add more specifics to the story. Think of it as if you were just telling a story to someone, talking to them. The more details you give verbally, the more you tell them, the more they'll understand the story. It's the same thing as art, but the more illustrations you have, the more details in your art you have, the more clear your story will be. And then your vocabulary words for today are composition and balance, which is going to lead us into our task list. So first you're going to watch the composition and balance video that's going to help you with today's entrance ticket questions. It's a short 3-minute video. Please make sure you watch it so that you understand exactly how to complete your entrance ticket. And then, excuse me, step 2, just make sure that you answer your question. Make sure you complete your entrance ticket and answer the 2 questions within. So your questions are, what is composition and what is balance? Both of those words, both of those vocabulary words and definitions are discussed in the video above. So please make sure you do both in that order. Once you've watched the video and completed your entrance ticket, please make sure you continue your final drawing and submit a photo of your progress to the day 5 student progress. So the rest of the class, once you're done your entrance ticket, you'll just continue building upon your narrative art. Even if you think you're already close to done, you are done. You can think about what you can add to it to make the story more clear. Can you improve the craftsmanship? Can you improve any extra details you might be able to add? So just be thinking of that, and your goal is to continue adding color and to be about 60% done. That means a little bit more than halfway. If you're not about halfway done, that's okay, but that should be a goal you should set for yourself as you work today. But again, please make sure your photos are an actual progression from the day before. Please do not submit the same photo as last class. And just a friendly reminder, this unit will be due in just 2 class periods time. So please make sure you are working towards that end result. All right, everyone, I will see you in just a moment for the composition and balance video, and also make sure that you work on your art projects at the completion of that video. Okay, bye everyone. Or see you soon, I should say.